Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRIT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to say it the obvious, but I will anyways just to establish some context here. But very impressive movement today. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down here, and then it was able to battle back up to where it closed. Now, don't get me wrong. There's still a lot of work that needs to be done from the overall charting standpoint. But relatively speaking, from where the price was at its lowest, it was able to bounce back up to. Good, solid move, but that does now lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it's all about that level right there at $8.25. Why is $8.25 important? And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to actually happen, but just from an explanation standpoint, let's say the price comes down here to $8.25, behaves in that manner, and then continues on down. What would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would be putting the price right back inside of that range where it just was. I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But to be fair, no pricing just goes straight up either. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there if you envision each one of those as stair-steps. Well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote-unquote, progress, again, being defined right there at $8.25. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, key battleground to watch, going to be right up there at $9.30. So $9.30, public enemy number one moving forward. So keep an eye on it, and we'll see what happens. But any angle you look at it, very, very impressive movement today. Very nice bounce. Not just a question of can the price build upon this bounce moving forward. Let's see what happens with it on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.